everybody, it's Kelly, and I'm back with another layout today. I am going to scrapbook this photo of my granddaughter, and Santa is looking in the car window at her. So that striped paper, just so I don't forget to tell you about it, is from American Crafts, and I bought it at Joann Fabrics. It's from one of their Christmas collections from years ago, but I love that paper so much when I saw it at Joann's, I bought more. And I've obviously backed a cut file here. So that cut file came from Jelly Bean Soup, which is no longer in business, so I don't think you can buy these anymore. But any Santa Claus cut file will do, whatever you want to do. And I was going to mount that all on that green ho 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 paper, but it was just too busy and I was losing the impact of the cut file. So I decided to back it on this white paper, which is from Basil, and it has a little bit of a polka dot texture to it. So I'm sorry guys, I didn't write down what that was. Oh, I do. I'm sorry. The embossed dot paper is the salt cardstock is what it's called, but it has a little embossed dot on it. And then I'll cut, I cut half an inch off of either, well, I cut an inch off of each side, so there's half an inch of a border around the white paper. That ho 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 paper is from Photoplay Gnome for the Holidays. It's the Christmas ski slopes paper, and I really think this does a nice job then of really popping the cut file and then popping that really dark photo. So they were at a light, kind of a light show that happens in a neighborhood near them, and Santa always is at the end, and then he like peeked in the window to say hello to the kids. So I'm really liking that tag with Santa Claus on it, and I'm trying to make him fit on here. I also like that ho ho ho. Thought about putting the ho 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 on the Santa Claus because I really like how that looks. And the die cuts I'm using right there are from that, from a 'Twas a Night Before Christmas collection. So kind of playing with these. I thought about that border strip, but pulled it off. That border strip sticker, which is from the Photoplay Not a Creature Was Stirring. It's the element sticker sheet, which is where all of these die cuts are from. Is Not a Creature Was Stirring is the name of it. Okay, so kind of thinking about that frame with the no peeking, the car and the presents up there, but this is all feeling like, I don't know, it's feeling too heavy to me. Like anything I'm putting up in that top left corner is almost falling off. So I need to take up more visual space. And I find this sticker from the Not a Creature Was Stirring collection, and I really like it. Santa on the Christmas tree. It's taking up a lot of weight in that top, that big white space at the top. So, and by the way, you guys, at the beginning of this, it said this layout took me 27 minutes. That is not including the time to back the cut file. That was just from when I started this. The cut file probably took me another half an hour or hour to do. This cut file for some reason was, oh, I remember why it was hard, because I didn't have the right glue here. Okay, so adding in the Santa Claus there. Okay, or adding on the border sticker there, and I just put it down lightly, and then I like that ho 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 sticker up there, so that's taking up some space. But I'm still dealing with, I need to figure out what to do in that top piece there, and that sticker just stuck to the photograph. I will take care of that when we're all done with my undo. So I'm looking at it now and it's perfectly fine. I'm adding a little present here to get another sticker on here. That top white stuff is still bothering me though. I do love that Santa belt sticker, but it just, because it was so black, it called way too much attention to itself. So this is how I solved that issue up there. I actually put that sticker up in the top corner there. There's the undo that I was showing you guys. Sorry about that. focusing from the camera, but I think that the ho 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 really helped. If I could have, when in hindsight, before I glued everything down around this with the Santa Claus cut file and the photograph, I would have actually moved that up, and I think I would have had less of an issue. I still think there's a little bit too much white space up on top, but it's done, and I'm not gonna redo that. So again, all the stickers came from the Not a Creature with Stirring element sticker sheet. And then last but not least, just something else. That cut file's taken a lot of weight. Oh, and I forgot I added that little mouse too, that little mouse sticker at between the L and the A there. All right, so last but not least, I'm going to add some enamel dots, and these are from Altenew, and they're the Green Meadows collection. It has a beautiful green that works really well with Christmas. So I'll add 3 of those in each of the clusters, just for something different. Like I said, that cut file takes a lot of the visual weight up of the layout itself, but I still wanted something else without putting too much more on here, because it's there's already enough on here with the cut file. So that's there we go. And just again placing I like to do small, large, medium, small, and I think I didn't have enough. So sometimes I did, like with the little mouse on the bottom, I used 2 smaller ones because the large one and the medium one would have been too big. Words are hard some days. Anyway, you guys, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.